Insurance, pretty straightforward. You put the name of your insurance. My life insurance. You pick the type of insurance. If it's a whole life or universal life, let's say it's a whole life insurance. The benefit amounts, the policy number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 330,000. Person, the name of the insured. That's going to be me. And then the payment amount. It's $230 monthly for this insurance. And when's the payment due? End of the month. The rest are all optional. Do save. And then your insurance is here. So you have your insurance on yourself, and if you had other family members or others that you want to track, you would just put their information here as well.